Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing access and clarifying intent. Sign into Snap AI and update the app. This ensures new models and fixes. Once signed in, grant microphone and camera permissions so features run smoothly, and choose one clear objective: summarize, edit, or generate, plus an example file. Now open the Snap AI workspace and select the relevant template or mode. This moves you from setup to the first actionable step, where the tool starts analyzing your input, making the process immediate and focused. You now feed Snap AI the right inputs and tune prompts. Upload or record clean media, 720p video and 44. 1K HZ audio work best, and then write a concise prompt that states the goal, constraints, tone, and desired output format. Once done, tweak model controls. Lower creativity for precise edits or raise it for novel generations, set max length, and apply domain bias if available. Watch the preview pane as the model iterates, and make small prompt edits to guide behavior without overloading it. You finish by validating and exporting results. Review the generated content against your original objective and example. Play through the whole output to catch artifacts, tone issues, or factual errors. Once satisfied, export in the needed format and resolution, and save a backup copy locally. If something goes wrong, misleading text, audio glitches, or odd edits, first simplify the prompt, tighten constraints, or reset model parameters. Then rerun the task. That troubleshooting step fixes most issues quickly, keeping you productive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.